Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying the essentials, physically secure the cable, and confirm the mic has power. Once done, open your OS input list and select the mic as the default device so applications can see it. Make sure any onboard mute or gain controls are set to audible levels. Low gain is a common culprit. Also inspect adapters or splitters. An incompatible pass-through can block signal. These first actions eliminate hardware and simple configuration issues fast, so you can proceed to deeper fixes. Next, address software-level blockers. Update or reinstall the microphone driver. Device drivers often restore lost functionality. Once updated, match the sample rate and bit depth to the mic specifications to avoid incompatibility. Disable exclusive mode so no single app monopolizes the input, and review app permissions to ensure the recording application has mic access. If using USB audio interfaces, power cycle them and try alternate ports. Sometimes the bus negotiation fails. Finish by isolating the problem. Test the microphone in several apps and, if possible, on another computer. Use a simple recording utility or loopback test to confirm the mic produces a signal. If you still get silence, swap cables and adapters. Faulty connectors cause most persistent failures. When everything else fails, reset audio settings or create a new user profile to rule out configuration corruption. If the mic works elsewhere, focus on the original system. If not, consider warranty service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.